one, more of a slurve, that were able to work for lefties, but my go-to pitches were my fastball and my changeup. My two-seam got me most of those ground balls.
Why do you think you were good against Lamar? Why do you think you made that leap from that start to this start?
I don't know. Just from the time I woke up, I felt great, and I was able to just fill up the zone. And I felt the same as I did against Lamar. I was just able to, I guess my two-seam just had a little bit more life, and then they just kept rolling over my fastball.
Did your offense picking up the slack and really putting some big numbers up early?
Yeah, when they're putting on numbers like that, it's pretty easy to pitch. You just kind of fill up the zone and let your defense work for you. And our defense is doing a great job fielding our ground balls, so it's pretty easy to pitch.
In the same vein, sometimes it can be easy to lose your focus there. Did you have to kind of refocus a little bit once you got that big lead?
No, maybe a little bit, not really. I just kept focused on filling up the zone and trying to throw a lot of strikes.
This is your first start away from the box. Was it any different at all?
I had a few jitters waiting to warm up, just kind of hanging around the dugout. But once I started stretching and warming up, it felt normal. It felt fine.
What was the key for you?
My two-seam fastball. It was diving real well, and they kept rolling over. Got a lot of ground balls out.
As well as you pitched the first.